Hello, and welcome to Inside Kitchen Stories. Here, we unravel details hidden within our pots and pans. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to the heart of Greece. We're stepping into the profound atmosphere of a Greek Orthodox Easter. The dish we're making today is a resurrection on a plate. It's the first taste of life after sacrifice, bridging Holy Week and Easter Sunday. Friends, today we are making Magiritsa. Imagine Holy Saturday night, midnight mass over, church bells ringing triumphantly across Greece. The 40-day fast of Lent is broken, but not with heavy lamb. Your body needs to ease into it. So, resourceful Greek cooks created Magiritsa, a lemony, Avgolemono-based soup from lamb offal, parts not suited for Sunday roast. It's a dish born of necessity and respect for the animal. Nothing is wasted. Liver, heart, lungs, intestines, all meticulously cleaned and transformed into something delicate and comforting. It's a cleansing breath, preparing body and spirit for the festivities. The sharp lemon cuts richness, while dill and spring onions speak of rebirth. This is our story today. Let's gather ingredients and begin this delicious ritual. For authentic Magiritsa, we need essential players. Don't be intimidated by the offal, it's an orchestra. The foundation, 1 pound lamb offal, a mix of liver, heart, lungs, and optional intestine for texture. Also, 1 large onion, 3 to 4 spring onions, 1 cup fresh dill, and half a cup flat leaf parsley, all finely chopped. 3/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 head shredded cos or romaine lettuce, and 8 cups water or light lamb stock. The sole, Avgolemono sauce. This is what makes Magiritsa. You'll need 2 large eggs, juice of 2 large lemons, and a pinch of salt. The final flourish, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. The narrative unfolds, the cooking process. Step 1, the purification, preparing the offal. This is crucial for respect and transformation. Rinse the offal thoroughly under cold running water, especially the intestines. Greeks clean them inside out with salt and lemon, rinsing until clear. It's a labor of love. Place cleaned offal in a pot with cold water. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes to blanch and release impurities. Drain, discard water, and rinse again. Now they are pure and ready. Chop the offal into small, bite-sized pieces with heart and liver slightly larger. Step 2, the sauté, building the base. Heat 3/4 cup olive oil in a large soup pot. It's the lifeblood of Greek dishes. Sauté the chopped onion until translucent and soft, about 5 to 7 minutes, without browning. Add the chopped offal and sauté gently for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring until firm and lightly colored, developing flavor. Step 3, the simmer, letting the plot thicken. Pour in 8 cups water or lamb stock. Season with salt and pepper. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 45 minutes to 1 hour until the offal is tender. Check and remove liver earlier if needed to prevent toughness. Step 4, the greening, introducing rebirth. Once tender, add shredded lettuce, spring onions, dill, and parsley. Stir well. Simmer uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes. The lettuce will wilt and melt into the broth. The kitchen will now smell of fresh dill and lamb, the iconic scent of Greek Easter. Step 5, the metamorphosis, creating Avgolemono. This is the magic, creating a creamy sauce without cream. While the soup simmers, prepare Avgolemono. Crack 2 eggs, separating whites and yolks. Whisk egg whites until soft peaks form for a stable, frothy base. Add yolks, whisk until frothy, then slowly drizzle in lemon juice while continuously whisking. Your Avgolemono base is ready. Step 6, the tempering, the climax. This delicate part introduces eggs to hot soup without scrambling. Take a ladleful of hot broth from the soup, ensuring it's off the boil, just hot. While whisking the egg-lemon mixture, slowly drizzle in the hot broth, then a second ladleful, tempering the eggs. Slowly pour the warmed Avgolemono back into the soup, stirring constantly. Do not boil after this, or eggs will curdle. Heat through until the soup turns creamy yellow and thickens. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. The finale, serving the story. Ladle a hot Magiritsa into bowls. The aroma is unmistakable. This soup is always served with crusty bread for dipping into the glorious broth. It's eaten after midnight church, surrounded by family, with cries of Christos Anesti. It is more than food. It is a ritual, a story of renewal and community. As you enjoy this Magiritsa, remember its story, a centuries-old tradition of resurrection, hope, and Greek hospitality. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep your pots simmering and your stories alive. Orexi.